Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert text to PDF files quickly and easily. Converting a TXT file into PDF preserves its content and layout, ensuring it can be easily viewed and shared while preventing unintended text alterations. So let's start the video. So this is our text file. You can see type of file is text document.txt. And this is the content of this text file. To convert this TXT file into PDF, open the link given in the video description. It's a free online tool for converting text to PDF that you can use on both your laptop and your mobile device. So once you open the link, click on Choose File button and locate your text file that you want to convert into PDF. So this is our text file. Now click on Open. It's uploading. Is converting. The conversion is complete. Now click on download file. So this is our newly converted PDF file. Click to open it. So you can see that text file has been converted into PDF file. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.